Welcome to Chapter 4, Part 5. For this lecture, we're going to learn how to align objects. The first thing I need you to do is open up File 4-2. So go to File, Open. Make sure you go to this PC, the Handout drive, then all the way at the bottom, Business Handouts, and then to Shonifer, Computer Graphics 2, Chapter 4, and then ID 4-2 and open. Once the file opens, we're going to talk about how to align using some different functions. So we are going to click on the window in the application bar and point to Object and Layer. And then once we select Object and Layer, we're going to click Align. And that should open up an alignment panel for us. We're going to press Control-A to select all three objects in the page. So when you hit Control and A, it should select all three of those red squares within our page. Then we're going to click Align the left edges button in the Align Objects section of the Align panel. So there's all these different options. Align horizontal, align center, but we want to align the left edges of all of our boxes. And when we do that, it's going to take all the left edges and align them in the same spot. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to Edit and then click Undo Align. Now we're going to click Align Top Edges button on the Align panel. So still hovering over, looking at all these different options until we see one that's called our Align Top Edges. So we're going to click and align top edges, and it's going to align the top edges of all three boxes at the top edge of our document. So now the three frames are stacked at the top of our document window. So now we're going to undo that step again. So go to Edit, Undo Align, and now we are going to click on the Align Horizontal Centers button. So once again, whatever we need to do to hover over what we're looking for, and we're looking for the Align Horizontal Centers. And then we're going to click on Align Horizontal Centers. It's going to take the center of the page as well as the center of our object. Now we're going to click Align Vertical Centers. And now what you're going to notice is that all three of the frames are stacked on top of each other. So their center points are aligned both horizontally and vertically. So I need you to go to File, Save As, and you are going to save this document on your H drive as last name, comma, first name. And then you will call this one Alignment. And then go ahead and move on to Part 6. You will also turn in this alignment file. We are done with this file for the chapter. So turn in alignment and then go on to Part 6.